Eastern PA Weather 30 Meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for the weekend, October 15th and 16th, 2016. For your Saturday, high pressure is in control, so we're going to have another gorgeous day. Temperatures will be slightly above what they were yesterday, not by much, maybe a degree or two. And another fantastic afternoon with low humidity and high pressures in control. That means you're going to have blue skies and a great day to be outdoors. As this high starts to move off to the east here on Sunday, we're going to start to see this trough move out of the northeast. And here's a look at Sunday. You can see it off the eastern seaboard now. That's going to change our wind direction and start getting some winds in here from the south and southwest. So that is going to allow temperatures to warm a little bit. We also have a cold front situated off to the north that's going to be trying to move toward the area here, but as this high gets established here and keeps moving off to the south, it's going to get stronger. So that's going to allow for a huge ridge to build in over the eastern half of the country. That's going to be, we're going to feel the effects of that as we get into early next week. We'll get into that in a second, but I do think that we get into approaching the 70-degree mark in many central and southern locations, probably upper 60s up here further north, but it's going to be definitely warmer on Sunday than it will be on Saturday. It's just the start of it. The trough that's in the northeast now responsible for this cold is going to be exiting and it's going to be replaced by this ridge moving in. As far as the cold front's concerned, here's late Sunday. Might have an overnight shower. Very slight chance of a shower. This front is moving to the south and east, but again, it's running to this ridge, so it can't get too far. It's going to rob this of moisture as it does so. You can see it kind of falling apart here. I could see an isolated shower getting into some places here overnight Sunday night, maybe very early Monday morning. But as this front, again, you see this ridge, what happens here with this high pressure. It gets very elongated and really sets up here. So this kind of sets up a block for this. It's going to take away this a lot of the moisture content that's with this and just make it fall apart. It's going to also send this cold front that's trying to come through back northward as a warm front. So we're going to have the increase in the warmth here, and you can see that by these isobars turning here from the southwest. And as this thing gets established here on Monday, here's a look at Monday. Temperatures are going to climb pretty rapidly, and we're going to have temperatures that are going to be actually well above normal for a couple days. Monday, Tuesday especially, and maybe Wednesday yet. Again, winds coming in from the southwest or west-southwest, and we're going to have some challenging the 80-degree mark, not only down here by Philadelphia, but also in our central areas. We're going to have easily everywhere in the coverage area in the 70s on Monday. No precipitation to speak of here on Monday except for that very early shower, but as that front is forced back northward, I don't think you have much of an issue. Then this continues right into Tuesday. Tuesday, I think, is the warmest day of all of them because we're going to be 80 degrees central and southern areas. Maybe southern areas getting in the lower 80s, actually, on Tuesday. Pretty much the same thing here on Wednesday. Might back off a degree or two, and that's it. Okay, and then you have Thursday, we're going to have an increase in clouds and call it a mostly cloudy day, an opportunity for some showers out ahead with the warm front. There's actually it's hard to see here, but you got a cold front that's sitting back here, and this is actually all along a warm front here, so it's going to bring out through earlier in the morning. The rain from the cold front will come through here on Friday, so that's when we get our break as far as from the heat. Thursday will be just because it is, it's going to be a mostly cloudy day, so you probably keep the clouds, will keep the temperatures down. But as the front comes through here on Friday itself, if I can get to that image here, it's going to come through here on Friday with, especially in the morning, it looks like, with maybe some showers along that front. And then we start to clear out. We're going to have to watch for a system offshore that's still modeled to be offshore down to our southeast. Right now it's forecasted just maybe graze our eastern areas here, but a lot can change with this as we go out further in time. And, we have to keep an eye on that to make sure it doesn't come too far west. Otherwise, we'll be dealing with a lot more rain than is currently modeled. But this is going out quite a bit. This is going all the way back out to next Saturday now. So within our forecast range, it only goes up until Thursday typically. I'm just showing you the front coming through here on Friday. Once that front comes through, we should have temperatures dropping at least back to normal, but probably slightly below. And the thing that's going to, I think, keep this offshore is this high pressure right here. But we'll have to watch and see what this does. Keep a close eye on it. We might be talking about more rain as we get into next weekend, or at least toward the end of the week. So a lot of different timing differences between the GFS and the European model, and exactly where these synoptic features set up. So we will definitely keep a close eye on that. I do want to show you one thing because we have we're back to our My Pocket Meteorologist winter program, and that is now launched. You can check out the Facebook page for that, and it's the pinned post at the very top of the page, or if you're on the website itself watching the video, just to the right, you can see a My Pocket Meteorologist banner there. Just click that. It'll take you to the My Pocket Meteorologist page, and we have winter-only options for those of you that don't want the year-round subscriptions and just want it for the winter. Anytime from whatever time you sign up at, it could be right now, then the middle of October. For the same price, it'll take you at a one-time price all the way through the end of March or the last snow. So if we still snow in April, you're still going to get those alerts in April as well. It's until the last snowfall, and that'll be for one low price of $24.99 for those weather alerts. And that's just the text alerts that come to your email, or excuse me, not your email, your text alerts that come to your phone. And those will be very descriptive by county and tell you exactly how much snow you're going to get, the timing, the precise timing for your county, for your specific area. And we'll also talk about how much snow, how much ice you can expect, when changeover times are going to be, if applicable. And then that is everything covered under the weather alerts. We can also do 2 counties. There's 2 county options for those of you who commute. And also we have a premium weather forum where we do all the in-depth discussion, model analysis, question and answer sessions. We do the daily long-range outlooks. And also we have the early release of the snowfall maps and forecasts for winter that are ongoing right now. So do check that out. It's on the My Pocket Meteorologist page. Here's the direct link right up top here. But you can also go just to the right of the video and click on the My Pocket Meteorologist image. If you're on the website, if you're on the Facebook page, look at the pinned post on top of the page, and it'll have information. Just look for this banner here, and it'll have a link right there in the post that you can go to directly to the page and get signed up for that. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for the weekend, October 15th and 16th, 2016. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.